Hello YouTube, hi friends, welcome to this circus. We're on another level today and I'm fucking loving it. This is Naja Hall Beauty, that's what we're playing with today. All of this, I have some single eyeshadows here that I don't have a palette for yet, but they're all just absolutely stunning. Like, this is a duochrome. But if you are into colorful makeup or want to see more colorful makeup looks, I have different series going on. Is that a word? Series? I don't know. I'm just talking out my ass right now. I can't talk today. But I would love it if you would join this circus, join this shit show. And let's get into this. I'm so excited for today. I found this brand through an Instagram. I'll put her Instagram name down here and I will link her in the description box. And they sent me a discount code and I now have this wonderful, very cute bag of goodies to open. The palette that I ordered from her, Naja Hall Beauty, by the way, was not available anymore. So I told her, just do whatever the hell you want. And so this is pretty much a mystery bag for me. And I'm so excited to see what I got. But we're not going to comment about my hair. Okay? Like, it never agrees with me. It's never happy with me. So just like... So it comes in this really cute little pink bubble wrapper. Let's get into it. This is the Cosmic Jelly Cream. She has this stuff wrapped so good. Oh my goodness. So that looks like this. If I'm correct, if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure this is like a duochrome type thing, which I'm so excited to use. Okay, my original order was literally just a palette and this, okay? It was literally just the palette and this little duochrome, like, cosmic thing. Naja, honey, sweetheart. Oh my fucking god. So there's this one. And then there's this one. Just like this like bright green. Sort of duochrome-y. I think there's a little bit of purple in there. I have this teal color. This purple shimmer. And then this gorgeous like maroon sort of orange, burnt orange, my lighting sucks eyeshadow. I'm mostly excited for these. These are her palettes. This is the Anne Sunshine. The packaging is so cute. It's this one. This is the one I wanted. Look how gorgeous that is. And then the other one is Fancy Nancy. The Nancy one. Oh my god. Looks like this. Oh my goodness. I am in blue heaven right now and I'm so excited to play with these. Okay, I have my eyes primed, everything. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and I'm gonna be putting that in the crease. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to, again, put that right here in the crease. So I blended these two together pretty good. Should we do the jelly cream? I feel like we should. I feel like we're gonna, this is where we're gonna go. Oh. I'm gonna put a little bit of this shade, this like duochrome shade all over that. Oh my god. That is stunning. I do want to say one thing though. A lot of these glitters are pressed glitters. Just an FYI before, like, if you decide to get them, like, they're very fine pressed glitters. Gorgeous palettes, gorgeous eyeshadows, and this thing is like freaking insane. But I know that a lot of people don't like to put glitter near their eyes. But my vision's already bad enough, so I'm like, bring it on, you know? But I'm loving this look right here. I think I'm gonna go in with this pink shade a little bit and put that right here. Okay, I have done the full face. I've done everything else. I'm gonna go in and do the under eye. Maybe. I haven't decided yet. Should we? Okay, I think I'm just gonna do the inner corner because I don't know. Maybe later I'll change it up. I'm gonna be going in with the Fancy Nancy palette here. I'm gonna be putting this shade right here in the inner corner. Okay, so I went in with a little bit of this jelly and then this duochrome eyeshadow right here on my lips, and I'm loving it. I love this look. Like, this is just gorgeous. So far, I have absolutely adored these. I don't know how much, like, to be honest, I am going to be playing in with, like, the sharp glitters, like, the really harsh glitters. But I can always just put those all over my face somewhere else. But I love these single eyeshadows. Like, these ones have been, like, just so much fun. And so is this. And, like, this look, oh my god. So if you like any of these products, if you want to try some of them, which you should go and get this, I will link it. You should go and support this small business that is owned by a wonderful, amazing Black woman who recently had some white bitch complain that about her pretty Black girl palette. So you should go and support her, go give her some love. She is so sweet and so kind. Like, this is a lot more than I asked for, and she just, I can't even. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming this far. Please like, comment, subscribe. I don't know, do something.